Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing a makeup haul with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So the last past 2 months I shopped for a lot of makeup. So I have accumulated a lot of makeup to share with you guys. So the first two products that I bought was the foundation. The first foundation that I got was the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Golden Beige. This foundation was hyped so much, so I wanted to try this from a long time, so I bought one for myself, and I have to say that it's so good, so matte and so full coverage. I just loved it, though I've used it only once or twice maybe, but I loved this foundation. The next foundation that I got is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. I just love this foundation. It's so good to wear on a day-to-day basis as well as on parties. You can wear this. It's a very good foundation. The next things that I got was some nail polishes. So I got 5 nail polishes. The first two are from Revlon, their streetwear collection. So first is a pure white nail polish. The next is this really pretty deep purple kind of nail polish. Its name is Rich Plum. It's a plum kind of nail polish. I loved this color. The next nail polishes that I got was from Globus. They also have some nail polishes, so I liked these two colors. One is called Glitter Pink and the other is called the Peach Gold, and they look like this. It's a beautiful pink color and with a lot of glitter in it, and this is a really nice peach gold kind of a shade. So yeah. Next I got a nail polish from Jacqueline in this beautiful tan color. I really like this color. So the next thing that I got was some sponges from Vega. I got this pack of 8 sponges. These are like disposable sponges, and these are very good while you're traveling. You can just use it and throw it away, because while traveling it's not possible to wash your beauty blender again and again. So I liked this pack of 8, and it was pretty inexpensive as well. It was just for 165 for 8 sponges. Then I got 2 perfumes, actually one body mist and another one is perfume. So the body mist that I got from was Mumuso. It's called Love Body Mist, and it also has 2 more variants. So I got this variant, Love, and it's so good and so fresh to smell, and it's summer, so it's good, like just it's so tiny, so it's good to keep it in your bag as well. The next perfume that I got was from Globus again. So this is called Bourbon, and this also smells really nice, and these were really expensive. These were on a buy one get one free offer. So the only like one perfume was for 350 rupees. So it was so inexpensive and so good. The next product that I got were eyeshadow palettes. So I got like 5 eyeshadow palettes, and all of them are so good. So the first one that I got was the Nicka K Makeup. This is the Under the Sea palette, and it has some gorgeous shades. It is a very colorful palette. As you can see, it has this very pretty blue, green, rose gold. Like, it is a very pretty palette, and I loved this palette. And the swatches are so good. I'll just swatch 1 or 2 shades right here. This is the rose gold. This is the greenish blue shade, and I really love this palette, so I picked it up. So the next palette that I got was the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. This comes in a lot of colors, so I got this one, the very basic nude color, and the colors in this palette are also so nice, and this is so travel friendly that only with this palette you can create a lot of basic makeup looks which you need. It has your browns, black, light brown, a little bit of glitter here and there, and it's a lovely palette, lovely, and it also swatches really nice. I'll just swatch 2 or 3 shades for you guys. Here, this is a really pretty bronzy shade. It's an ivory color, These are really good and they were so inexpensive. I guess these were for 220, I believe. Yeah, I got this from Nykaa. Then I got 3 more palettes. One is again from Swiss Beauty, the Ultra Professional palette. I really loved this palette. It has some shimmer shades over here. It has 6 shimmer shades which are so good and so pigmented. Then it's got a really nice blush on and a contour or a bronzer and a really subtle highlight. So this is such a good palette to travel with. You can just take one palette and you are good to go. And the highlight is also really nice, bronzer, everything. I'll just swatch for you guys. So yeah, this is the golden shade. Then is this really pretty bronze color. This is a really pretty black color. It's like really pigmented. I didn't pick it up nicely. And a warm bronze. The blush is also so nice. I'll show you guys. This is the blush one. And this is the highlight. It's like really subtle. You can't see it nicely. But yeah, it's a really beautiful palette. Then I got 2 eyeshadow palettes in combo from Makeup Revolution. One is a very nude basic eyeshadow palette which is very good for day-to-day basis, and the other one is this really colorful matte eyeshadow palette. All of this is a matte. All of these are matte colors and it has some gorgeous colors. I'll show you guys. It has some beautiful yellows, red, pink, white, blue, like each and every color is in this palette, and you can create several looks from this palette. I used to create really nice looks on my Instagram, so I wanted to buy this and I bought this, but till now I have not created anything with this palette, but I'll surely create a very pretty look with this colorful palette. Next palette that I got is the Revolutions only. This 2 came in a combo for 950 rupees and I got this from Nykaa. This is also such a pretty blend of mattes and glitters, shimmers. It's such a pretty palette. It has got a lot of matte and shimmers in it, and it's really nice to use for day-to-day basis. The next thing that I got was this CC cream. This is the Correct and Care cream from Faces Canada. It also has a SPF of 20. I really liked this. It's very good when you just have to go to the market or for shopping. It's good. You don't want to wear a full face of makeup or heavy foundation, so this is really good for that. Then I got a blush on. I only had just one blush on from the Jacqueline, which I used in my makeup looks, and I wanted to get one more, and that one broke accidentally, so I had to get one blush. So I got this really pretty misled blush, and it's in a really pretty pink color, which I really love. It complements my skin tone really nicely. Okay, so the next product that I got is a highlighter from Swiss Beauty again. I love Swiss Beauty as a brand and its products are so good, so good. So I got this really nice Swiss Beauty Fusion highlighter. It's a really pretty highlighter. It's in a little, it has a little bit of pink specks in it, but the undertone is fully golden. So yeah, really like this highlighter. It's a really pretty highlight. The next thing that I got was a compact. So in summers you don't want to get tan, so I got the Lakme Sun Expert SPF 40 compact, and it's really good for day-to-day basis. I just apply a cream, BB cream or CC cream, and and then on top of that like I also apply sunscreen, and after that again I like to apply this compact powder which has SPF in it, so it's good. I get a double protection layer on my skin. So yeah. So the next product that I got was some lip balm. I got two lip balm. One is from Nivea, the Cherry Shine one, and the other is from Blue Heaven. This is the lip balm. I really like this. It's very good for chapped lips. So yeah. The next product that I got was the Dear Darling tint from Etude House. I really liked the packaging, and I also wanted a lip tint and a cheek tint from a long time, so I got this one, but I was really disappointed. It does not have any pigmentation. I'll just show to you guys. I don't know if the product is bad or I don't know what is wrong with this product, but I'll really show. Here is the product, and when I blend it, it just gets disappeared. Look, there is no product at all. Like, it just gives a little bit of color. Like, you can't even see it. Look. Once more, I'll just, if I build it up also, then also it doesn't come. And it's again disappeared. So I was really disappointed with this product. I just did not like this one. Okay, so moving on, next I got two liners. One is a black liner from Swiss Beauty. It's a pen liner. It's like a felt tip liner. It's a really nice liner, you can see. Next I got a white liner from Bella Voste. It's a really good liner and it's really inexpensive as well. Next up I got is a mascara. It's from Faces Canada, Magnet Eyes Dramatic Volumizing Eyes, and it's got a really nice wand. It's a really thick wand, and it really like lengthens and also volumizes your lashes really nicely. Next I got are some lipsticks. Last 5 items that I got was some lipsticks. First one is from Maybelline Touch of Spice. This is the Creamy Matte. It's a really beautiful shade. It's like a really mauvey pink color, and I really like this shade. Next, from the same collection, Creamy Matte, I got the shade Nude Nuance. This is a very much hyped shade. And it's a little dark on my skin tone, but I do wear dark lipstick, so it's good for me. Next, I got two lipsticks from Color Essence. One is this very pretty red kind of shade, maroonish red. It's a really pretty shade. Then I got a lipstick in a nude shade. This is also from Color Essence, and this is exactly what I'm wearing on my lips today also. This is the shade. Next and the last item that I got was this lip gloss from Lakme Absolute Plump and Shine. It's a really pretty nude lip gloss, and I really loved this. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye, see ya.